Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about the Iron Condor, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
Now, what most traders do when they're trading Zero DTE, they'll trade the Iron Condor, and they'll place the Iron Condor right at the money, and so they have a big wide spread on either side. And then the strategy essentially is that if I make the spread wide enough, then the chances of price staying within inside the bounds of that spread will lead me to a profit. In order to do that, in order to get that 85, 90, 95% probability, you have to spread that out really wide, get just above beyond the expected move, because the expected move is typically about a 68th percentile. So you have to spread it way out, and that's a problem. Why is it a problem? In order to get spreads that wide, you have to make your individual leg spreads super wide in order to get any kind of profit. Because if you make them really narrow and try to spread it that wide, you'll have virtually no profit. But you make them wide enough, then you'll typically be doing almost the exact opposite that we do in terms of risk to reward. You'll be doing about a 9-to-1. In other words, 9 parts risk to 1 part profit. And those Iron Condors, when you're putting them at the money, you're right at the very top of the profit curve. And because it's a really deep profit curve, that profit line or that P&L curves down like this, really steep. And if the market decides to open up and go down or up, then while you'll still technically be inside the tent, you will quickly go into the negative. And that negative can rack up really fast. So you're sitting there with a trade that you're hoping to grab maybe $50 or $100 off of, and all of a sudden you're down $300, $400 and looking at the potential for it to continue going to your ultimate risk, which is about $900 or $1,000. And that's a real scare. And once you make that initial move from the center, you're no longer at 95 or 90% probability of profit. In fact, your profit drops down dramatically and you're underwater. So that's really the problem with an Iron Condor. You have to have the temerity and the belief that you're going to stay inside that profit tent for the entirety of your trade. And you have to sit there sweating out a $300, $500, or $600 loss, hoping that it's not going to continue and move outside of that tent and result in a max loss, which will probably wipe out 2, maybe 3 weeks of your previous profits. That is the problem with the way most people trade Zero DTE. That is the fundamental problem.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable Zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.